Felt good running through the sprinklers. Alright friends, week 5 is completed. This past week has been a pretty hectic week in terms of the work-life balance, but we did manage to get our runs in with a 3-2-3 combination during the weekday and a 4.5 on this week's long run. Initially, I was supposed to go 4 during the weekdays, but I didn't want to push it, especially with my schedule and the heat. It's been getting about 80 to 85 degrees in the mornings here, about 8 o'clock in the morning. Taking that into consideration, as well as making sure that I'm hydrated and not out in the sun for too long. Even though I do have sunblock on, I still gotta be cautious of that time. Now that we're getting into the higher mileages, I'm going to start introducing my one hydration gel during my long runs. My general rule of thumb, for me at least, is to have one gel every 3 to 4 miles. That way I can replenish the electrolytes that I've lost during those previous miles. I think that's it for week 5. On to week 6. you have it, week 6 is now completed. This week was a bit of an odd week with, especially I only had 3 runs. Things still work out pretty much okay. As long as the momentum is still there, I'm not too worried about it. I did have a 2.5 and 3.5 mile run during the weekday, and my long run this week was 5 miles. We're 1 mile short of getting to the 6 miles. We'll be getting there in the next couple of weeks, but super excited to push it up a little bit as we go along. We do have 3 weeks left until race day. I have introduced my electrolytes and gels for my long run, so my body's gonna get used to it in these next few weeks. Alright, we'll leave it here on this update. Thank you so much for coming back each week to check in on my progress and for coming along with me on my other adventures. And if you like what you see, do give this one a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures, as I definitely have more coming up, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until next time, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all later. Take care.